Looks like Facebook sent me my developer kit. I've been expecting the developer kit, so Oculus sent this to me. Big thanks to them. Like, I'm super excited about this, so let's see what's in the developer kit. I'm curious at whether or not the developer kit is going to include a Quest or not. So I know they were saying that it'd probably have like a Rift in it, which is great. I finally have a computer now that can actually handle that. If you didn't see that video, go check it out. I opened up a box last week. I get all these presents. This is great. That's so sick. Check this out. It's like a super dope hoodie.
Nice. Let's hold it up so we can see it. You can stand up. Nice.
Oh, that's sweet. That's so soft too. Holy cow. Facebook's got some high quality threads. That's good. I like it. Oh, that's so sick. Socks, notebook, little sticker. This is gonna be the first sticker on my new computer. Is this Oculus Start sticker? That's gonna be sweet.
Hold it up for us again. Let's see. Get a good look.
You get it? You see
Yeah. Yep.
it? Nice swag. Nice swag. Oh wait, there's a letter. Probably read it. It says, we hope you enjoy the enclosed developer kit with the gifts. We are providing these gifts to you free of charge with no exception of anything in return. And blah, 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 blah. So yeah, just so everyone knows, I accepted a free Oculus Start Dev Kit from Oculus in connection with my post and no, but seriously, thanks to Oculus for sending me this free dev kit. This is awesome. Like, I'm so stoked. Cool. I'm super excited about this.
Is that all that's in there?
No! Let's go! Yes! Let's freaking go! It's an Oculus Quest 2! Oh, yes! I don't know if you guys know this, but I've been developing on the Quest 1 for like a year now, and I've been like saving up to buy one of these, and they sent it to me for free. Yes! Oh, this is so sick. Oh, it's so cool. I'm so excited. And the official Quest Link Cable, perfect.
Hold it up where we can see.
Official Link Cable so I can use it with my PC.
Nice.
Perfect. 5 meters long, let's go. All right. Thanks again to Oculus for sending me this free kit. I'm super stoked about this. I think I'm gonna open it up right now and get going.